All right, the problem that we're looking at today is the USACO 2018 December contest gold problem 3 of teamwork. And this is by far the easiest one of the contest, especially considering the other two are all pretty difficult. So you can pause the video first and look at the problem yourself. All right, so basically the problem statement is really simple. You're trying to divide n cows into several teams where each team can contain at most k cows, and you try to maximize. So each team, the total skillfulness of every team member is equal to the skillfulness of the team member with the highest original skillfulness. And now you're trying to determine the sum of all skillfulness over all cows. So basically, in this sample, the optimal solution is to group the first 3 cows, giving each of them a skillfulness of 15, so you have a total of 45. And then the last 3 cows, which will give all of them a skillfulness of 10, which will give a total skillfulness of 30, and the middle 2 will have a total skillfulness of 18. So 18 plus 30 plus 45 give us 84. And now we can pause the video once again and think about this problem yourself and try to solve it. All right, this problem is really, really simple. Just judging by the look, you know immediately that it's DP. And the state of the DP is just way too easy. Fi equals what is the maximum total if you group the first I, right? That's pretty obvious. And then you just enumerate where we last split, and that's at most k possible splitting spot, which give us nk complexity. Good enough. And the code is also extremely simple. Literally just that. Like, this problem is way too easy for a gold of that time, especially compared to the other two. Like, I don't remember when's the last time I wrote a code of less than 100 rows. This is just way too short. And yeah, that is it. This problem is so simple that I don't think it's even worth saying anything more. And yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Bye. Okay, and now's the grind report for today. The grind report, I really cooked. Like, I really cooked today. I know I said the same thing yesterday, but today I really cooked. I mocked the last good contest that I still haven't ever taken yet. Like, I took I think every single silver contest up to 2018. So this is other than this one. So this is the latest one, the newest one that I haven't taken yet, and I mocked it because I think it's probably gonna be the hardest silver that I still have to take, and I took it. And guess what? I solved all 3 problems within 3 hours. The first one, I misunderstood the problem and did a really, really, really complicated solution for an hour, and then until an hour later, I realized it's super simple and solved it within 10 minutes. And then the second problem is actually the hardest according to Logu, but I solved it with the least amount of time taken of only 35 minutes using basically the official solutions way. And the last one is the most interesting one because I took about an hour for this. Oh, wait. Oh, yeah. I submitted it. One second, I need to resubmit the problem. Cal operation. Yep. So I first of all obviously wrote the brute force, and that was me trying to submit the brute force again using a G2 optimization. But my program actually has a worse complexity than the solutions, but I think it's more natural. And when I went on Logu, like, no one else used my idea. My idea is basically binary lifting, where I use an algorithm very, very, very similar to the ST table RMQ problem. If you know what that is, it's basically the same binary lifting technique where I find the answer for each query within 018 complexity, and I pre-process an F array using an n log n complexity, where Fij represent what is the final resulting letter if you combine from I to I plus 2 to the jth power minus 1. So a region of length 2 to the jth power. And the pre-processing takes n log n, obviously, and each query is basically on, except it's 018, but same thing, because log of 10 to the 5th power is 18. But no one else on Logu or USACO used this idea, as they all used a different idea where they just check the parity of the number of occurrences of these letters and use the prefix sum and stuff, and use like even XOR operation. I didn't actually fully understand what they did, but I think this is way more natural and it works. So like, what is wrong with everyone? This is so much more just, I don't know what other word I can use to describe it, but it's just natural. So if any of you guys know why this algorithm might be, incorrect or anything, please tell me in the comments below. And yeah, that's all I did for today. It's pretty good because, 3 problems in 3 hours. If I perform as good on the USACO day as I did today, I think I'll be fine. But, this is also a pretty easy contest considering that the promotion line is 800. But it's still US Open. And I still solved it with 2 hours left because, US Open is 5 hours. So, yeah. Okay. I think I actually might have a very, very faint, slight chance now for January. All right. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow.